Okay, we're just doing... Never mind. Today we are going to be talking about snoring. I know I already have 3 videos. Actually 4. But today we are going to be talking about... Wait, let me get my hand out the way. I need to do this perfectly. Snoring. Wait. Today we are going to be talking about snoring because of lots of people in my family snore a lot. Wait a second. Because a lot of people in my family snore a lot, and yeah, I'm wearing a hat that is pretty. And I got my hair, my mom got her hair styled up, but you're gonna be on Facebook, and I just wanted to show you guys about my mom snoring. Let me show you. I'm sorry about the light. And of course she's pretty.